My beloved brothers, the first request I have is for you to put your phones down. Inshallah, we are recording this and we will make it available on YouTube by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But this being the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to have everyone stand and everyone's phones come up and all the lights shine bright, personally I think it's a disturbance, not only for the speaker but even for the others who want to concentrate. My brothers and sisters, I start off with a dua, a supplication, a prayer. May Allah forgive all of us. May Allah grant us steadfastness. May Allah be pleased with us. May Allah alleviate the suffering of all those who are struggling across the globe. May Allah grant ease in all your lives. Whoever is struggling in whatever way, may Allah grant you ease. May Allah answer our du'as, obviously the halal ones. May Allah say Ameen. May Allah Almighty protect us from haram. May Allah Almighty make us realize that we need to develop a relationship with Him and make it easy for us. I was told to speak about utilizing your time during the month of Ramadan, how to do it, perhaps the preparation, the run-up to the month of Ramadan. And I think one of the most important things for us to note is why the fasting was prescribed in the first place. يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. Simple reason made mention of directly. Why did Allah tell us to fast? He says لعلكم تتقون. That's the reason. O you who believe, fasting has been prescribed upon you just like it was